my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Oftentimes people say, what's the best thing you could do in this situation? What's the best case you've ever had? What's the worst case you've ever had? Who's the best judge? Who's the worst judge? A lot of times people say, what's the biggest mistake to avoid in a custody case? What's the worst thing that I could do? Well, you can speak to 10 lawyers, get 10 different opinions about things that people can do to screw up their case, all from lying to the court, lying on the stand, making a bad witness, all that. I think if you break it down to its essence, one of the worst things that you can do, and a big mistake to avoid, is sort of horribilizing the other parent to the children. You see, you'll win your case if you can demonstrate that as between you and the other choice, you represent the better choice, what's in the best interest of the kids. If you think that the way to do that is to tear down the other person, to rather than focus on your good qualities, to focus on their bad ones, and you're going to say things to the kids, oh, well, I wish I could give you that, but since Dad doesn't give us any money, I guess we have to starve tonight. You know, that kind of thing. Or too bad you can't come with us to Disneyland, but, you know, it's Dad's weekend, so I guess we'll have the fun and you won't. If you do things like that, you're going to lose your case, because the other side is going to bring it to the court's attention, and it's going to like you care more about the fight than you do about your own kids. I would say that that is a big mistake to avoid, and the reason why I pick that one as opposed to so many of the others that are available is because that seems to be a mistake that people make a lot. That seems to be something that people sort of fall into that trap. I call it a trap because when you do it, you really trap yourself, and you really play right into the hand of the other side. I think because of TV, because of talk amongst friends, people who know everything and have been through this before, oh, they're not lawyers, but they know everything else, you know, they'll tell you, oh, well, you should prove that he did this, or she does that, or this or that. And I think a lot of times Hollywood sensationalizes the divorce trial where they pull out some evidence to show that the person did some horrible thing and this and that, and therefore they lose custody. I think in Michigan it's particularly important to focus on what's in the best interest of the children. And I think you focus on what's in the best interest of the children by not arguing to court, well, she's no good, so therefore pick me. That's not the way to do it. The way to do it is pick me for reasons A, B, C, and D. This is the statute, this is what's required, and this is what I provide that meets those requirements. That's how you win your case. Once you start figuring that you're going to win your case by horribilizing the other person, huge mistake, and you need to avoid that. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.